I like very much to have a long street way with people to build up, you know, to experiment, to know that, you know, things become really at a very, very high level of understanding and communication with the people, you know. If you work with somebody the first time, it depends so much on the personality of the person and the talent. Of course, sometimes it goes immediately, you go, wow, there's the spark, you know. It's like love, but sometimes you need to really get to know people. In the concert tonight we have actually 3 different languages, you can say. We have the Baroque language, no, that is the music performed with our instruments and sung by the voice of Philippe Jarouski. Then you have the traditional music from Corsica, which is a very, very special archaic musical language, you know, very wonderful polyphony with wonderful harmonies, wonderful ornaments, you know. Their art is, you know, the little middle voice makes little ornaments. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then you have the traditional music from Italy, you know. And yes, and we're going to communicate because we built a whole story. You know, we built the story of the Passion of Christ using these different elements. You know, for example, there's a Stabat Mater from the people from Corsica, singers from Corsica, and then there's Stabat Mater from Sanchez, sang by Philippe Jarouski. You know? So the same texts in different musical languages.